Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive emails in Outlook to free up space. Now this, for example, is some of the things that I do, and it's going to be easy. So what you're going to do is head over to that particular account. So say for example this mine here, I'm going to click this three dots, head over to manage account, and from here I'm going to head over to general, mail, and then rules. And I already have a rule here. I've applied this before. I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to click add new rule, and then you're going to name this one. So I'm going to go ahead and name this one archive mail before 12:01. All right, say for example it's that. Now add condition. So what is going to happen here is let's go ahead and scroll down. Received before, so I'm going to click that one. And again, it's 12:01. So any emails that I receive here before this particular date, the action is going to be either deleted or you're going to move them as or move them to your archive. So that's what I've done before. So you can also go ahead and just delete them or do the others here. There are more. And yeah, from here, I'm going to go ahead and run rule now and then click save. And what's going to happen is right after you do this, it's going to process this right away, and you're going to notice that if, say for example, you have a lot of emails here, it's going to start moving those to archive. So yeah, that's how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.